Friday, my friends. This is Lindsay coming at you with another daily work from home job lead. I saw in the comments somewhere recently that someone wanted me to share more customer service based jobs and not so much in the healthcare field. So as always, if this job lead is not for you, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Even if I'm not responding, I am always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. But today's job lead comes from the company Symetra. They handle benefits such as retirement benefits, life insurance, those sorts of things. They are hiring a customer service representative for their benefits division. Now, this does not require very much experience at all. So if you're new to the working world, you don't have very much experience and you're trying to get your foot in the door, this might be just for you. But the basis of the job is providing call centers with timely, accurate, and customer-focused claim information. You'll solicit the information you need from them to pull up the claim and deliver superior level of customer support. You'll be working with STD, which is short-term disability, SDI, AM, LTD, life, and AD&D. AD&D is accidental death and dismemberment. So this is all of those benefits when you work for a company that you sign up for outside of your health insurance. So you'll basically provide the callers with accurate information. Whatever questions they are asking, you're going to look up their policies and give them the information they need. Now, if that sounds like for you, they don't require any college degree, only a high school diploma or GED, and only 6 to 12 months of customer service experience. So this requires only 6 months of customer service experience. Customer service can be anything from working retail, working in a restaurant, babysitting, all those sorts of things that you can use as your customer service experience. They do want someone who has great writing skills, who can work Microsoft Office or other software solutions on a computer, and someone who can multitask. And of course, they actually pay very well too. Their hourly range is anywhere from $20 an hour all the way up to $27.64 an hour. Plus, they have an annual bonus program on top of that pay. They do offer benefits as well, such as a 401k, health insurance, paid time off, all the basics. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.